Hello friends, I am Dr. Maharshi Desai. I am consultant physician and critical care specialist. I have been associated with Apollo and CBCC since 14 years. As we all know, we have been ravaged by an epidemic of COVID pandemic, and it has been a difficult time for all of us. And we, being doctors at the forefront of the care, it had been a very difficult time managing this COVID patients. It has been a journey which I would say has been an eye opener as well as having an experience on itself. We had a very difficult scenario, a very difficult time managing all such patients during our epidemic. There was problems with infrastructure, there was problems with manpower, and we all know problems with oxygen supply and so on. So trying to save life during such episode had indeed been a very Herculean task, and it does affect us emotionally also, more so when a lot of our near and dear members were affected with the same disease. So trying to maintain focus of such patients in presence of our own adversity was really challenging for us, but by God's grace we were able to manage it. And we pray to God that we do not have to face such kind of opportunities. We don't have to face these adversities again in future. Yeah, it is really very heartening to see that the patients are fighting against cancer and winning it. And it is indeed very satisfying that we are a part of that winning story. And we hope that we are able to be a part of more and more such patients' stories in future also. One is the concept that I need to talk to you. The concept is that many a times we see patients who are very sick and in which we believe that these patients are not going to survive, and eventually they survive and they win over the disease. So it becomes a very actually a fulfilling and a satisfying experience to prove ourselves wrong, that we have been wrong. It is you generally don't feel happy about it when you are proved to be wrong, but these are the cases wherein it actually means more satisfying and you feel happy that you have been proved wrong. So this is one thing which we enjoy about this profession. If you want to talk about one specific incident, the incident which comes to my mind is that during previous swine flu episodes, epidemic, I had one boy who was affected with severe swine flu disease, and fortunately, we were able to salvage him, and he became normal. And then, when he came up for a follow up, I said that now that you are out of your disease, then you should focus on your studies. I think he was in 10th or something like that. So then I asked him, what you want to become? You want to become an actor or a sports person, just like the routine role model. So he said that I want to become a doctor. Then I asked him, why you want to become a doctor? He said that I want to become a doctor like you. So that was indeed very gratifying experience, that you become a role model for somebody else. See, a lot of people have role model of Amitabh Bachchan or Sachin Tendulkar or something. But when you become a role model for somebody else, then it is really very fulfilling.